Hello from Homrevet in Böda Öland. Or actually, it's maybe part of Böda neighborhood here on the island. And it is a beautiful wild beach on the Baltic Sea. And as a matter of fact, I'm the only person on the beach. Where did the people go? Because when I was running earlier today here, because I went to the very end of the coast, it was quite few people on the beach. But now there is nobody here, so that all the people went back to their camps or hotels. I don't know. But yeah, Monday is the day today, 24th of June. It is 6:45 p.m. and I'm exploring the beaches on the Böda Coast. So first I ran from Borgholm camping all the way to the very end at Sjuden, wild beach with many flies, around 10.5 kilometers. And now on the way back I'm exploring the beaches along the coast. And this one is a nice one, Homrevet. It's a sandy beach with lots of sand dunes in the back. The sea bottom is sand, despite having few pebbles and rocks here and there. And it's a good, very nice beach if you want to escape the crowds at the Böda Sand, because believe me, it was so crowded today. Compared to yesterday, when it was cloudy, there was nobody on the beach yesterday. People were just there walking with clothes. I was the only one taking a swim yesterday. But today it was quite the opposite. Everyone is out because it was sunny all day long and the sun is still out there for 3 more hours. So yes, this is day 6 of my vacation in Sweden, in Öland, the second largest island in Sweden. And now it's time for another swim. Okay, here we have a bit more seaweed material. As I have taken a swim earlier over there, it was so pure and clean. Here it is not right now. But how did that ever stop me from taking a swim? If there is a bit of algae in the water, no way, no. Yes, that's Homrevet, indeed. And in that direction, around 1 kilometer, it's Fagerror, another beach that I visited. And there is a wild beach in between as well that was super nice. And all the way there, next one is Likasand Nudist Beach first, and then the public one. And after that comes Böda Sand, and then Böda Gardens camping beach, and Kirketorp is the last beach on the coast before it goes ends with the Böda Hamn, the Böda port. So yes, I pretty much explored all the coast here in Böda today in one day. I will need to explore other parts of the island in the upcoming days, as there are some nice beaches also on the west coast and on the very north coast. Not beaches, but places to visit as such. Cool, then let's take a dive in the swim in the sea. It's 18 degrees Celsius in the sea and 19 degrees in the air right now. But it feels like a lot warmer because the wind is basically non-existent, which is amazing. So then let's take a swim together here at Homrevet Beach. Fantastic. Fantastic indeed. So another beach in the books and on my channel. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me from Homrevet. Hope you like the beach and make sure to visit it when you're visiting Öland. And see you soon again then with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!